If you love learning to play calm, relaxing piano music, you're in the right place. Welcome to A Moment of Piano. Today we're playing our 7th weekly piano routine together, a way for you to include a peaceful daily piano exercise in your routine every week. The music is particularly for late beginner piano players, but please go ahead and adapt it to whatever's most comfortable for you. You can follow along on screen, or if you'd like to download a copy of the free piano sheet music, please head to the link below. This week we're familiarizing ourselves with another minor key, E minor. It's the relative of G major, our very first routine, because they share the same key signature of 1 sharp. The key signature on every line of the music reminds us that whenever we see an F note, we'll instead play its neighbor to the right, F sharp. The exercise we're learning is based on 3 chords from this key. In every version we'll play the chord progression in this order, but the note patterns we play will look different each time. So we have E minor chord. We also call this chord 1 because it's built on the first note of the E minor scale. Next, A minor chord. We also call this chord 4. You might recall this from our A minor routine. Something different, we're playing the E instead of the A as our left hand bass note here, and the right hand is also playing the E below the other 2 notes. And B major chord, we also call this chord 5. We're playing a D sharp here, even though it's not in the key signature. That's because when we play the harmonic minor scale, we always raise the 7th note by 1 semitone or half step. In other words, we play the next key to the right. Here, the right hand is playing the B above the other 2 notes. We have 4 crotchet or quarter note beats in a bar here, and the length of each note ranges from a quaver or 8th note through to a semibreve or whole note. Okay, we're all set. Let's just enjoy the music now and make this piano routine our own. Here's version 1. Here's version 2. Here's version 3. Here's version 4. And here's version 5. And there we are. Look out for an E minor song tutorial coming soon. In the meantime, you might like to learn our new A minor classical song, The Beautiful Sicilienne by Fauré. I'll see you next week for our B-flat major routine. To hear about these videos and more, please feel free to subscribe below. Thank you so much for joining me and have a lovely day.